Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading, love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And the third thing, this is a reading from today till the end of October. Okay, let me see what is your partner's current energy. Pisces, the partner's current energy right now is World, Pisces. Your partner is feeling like there's the end of a cycle and there's rebirth of new cycle, or there's a cycle ending in their life, in their current energy, and there's something that is restarting in their life, or there's something brand new coming in their life. This is the World card. Might be this person is traveling a lot around the world for work or for pleasure or something like that. But this person right now is going through circles. You're getting my point? This person right now is completing a cycle of their life and starting a different cycle of their life. Let me clarify what that cycle is. Let me clarify the World card in their current energy. Five of Swords and the Sun and the World again. This person is fooling around. Okay, this person is fooling around themselves only because they feel like, yeah, I will show the world that I'm really fucking happy and I don't give a fuck to anybody, I don't give a shit to anybody, I am just being myself, I am all over me. Okay, so this person is trying to make happy, trying to make themselves happy. Okay, this is what they're trying to do. So they're just fooling around. I don't feel like this person is definitely happy or this person is literally happy, but they're just fooling around because their ego is deeply hurt. There's something that is very hurtful for them, and they're just fooling around and trying to make themselves a fool. Like, yeah, I'm happy, and trying to show the world, that they're really happy, but they're not. But they're not. They're just trying to fool around. Okay, this is what their current energy is. But definitely there is certain kind of ending happening here. Might be a separation, might be a divorce, might be a breakup or something, and they are just trying to show the other person that they are really happy and they don't have any problem with the thing that happened to them. Okay, cool. Let me see what's your current energy here. Capricorn. Ace of Cups. Okay, so Ace of Cups is heart chakra opening. Okay, you are opening up to divine love, you are opening up to self love. It could be also possible that somebody is coming to you with love offer, or some new love offer is coming towards you, or you are in love with somebody new. It could be anything, or it could mean that you are still in love with the past person or whomsoever you are connected with. But this is love, self love, healing kind of love, heart chakra opening. You are feeling love, you are feeling overwhelming emotions right now. Okay, let me clarify the Ace of Cups for you in your current energy. Okay, let me see. Four of Wands and the Ten of Swords and the Eight of Wands. Okay, you're healing from a situation. Might be you were in a marriage, or might be you were in a committed relationship, but that didn't work out. You are feeling backstabbed, you are feeling betrayed, you are feeling like somebody just broke your heart, somebody just broke your trust, something was not good in the marriage. This marriage failed. Okay, this marriage or this commitment failed terribly because they backstabbed you, they betrayed you, they did something really bad with you. But you are coming out of this bad phase. Okay, this is a good news. You are feeling like the worst is over, everything is done that could be done. Now I have to get up and walk again, and now you are just trying to communicate with the universe, just trying to open up to the other people, and just trying to make yourself happy. This is definitely self love, this is definitely self healing, this is definitely coming out of a situation where you were not at all happy, might be, or you were backstabbed or betrayed, or something was negative in this condition. Okay, that's why you're opening up to new love. That's why might be somebody new is coming to you, and you are just accepting the offer. Something is there that is new in your energy, and that is self love for sure. That is self love for sure. That is self love, self healing, and this is heart chakra opening up because of somebody's betrayal, because of somebody's backstabbing. You are emerging into a new person right now, and this new person is all about self love and self healing right now. This is what is happening in your current energy. Okay, so let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. God, just give me a second. Okay, sorry. Yeah, let's see what this person feels for you. Devil, this person is addicted to you. The devil, this person is addicted to you. This person is very, very possessive about you. This person feels like you are their property, or you are their possession, or something like that. This person is definitely addicted to you, or they are very, very possessive, or they are very, very obsessive. This person is basically obsessed with you, I can say. They can't get you, they can't, let you go anywhere. They can't get you out of their head. You are in their mind 24/7, but not in a very, very positive way. It could be positive possessiveness also. Let me clarify the devil as their feelings for you. Hermit could be dealing with a Virgo here, and Devil could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Hermit, Five of Pentacles and Five of Cups. This person is definitely very obsessed with you. They are feeling like they can't go anywhere without you. They are going inside and talking to themselves, and just talking to themselves, and understanding what they really feel for you. Okay, because might be you walked away, or might be they walked away, I don't know, but there is certain energy of walking away from somebody, and certain energy of leaving the other party in cold, and leaving the other party without any reason. This is the thing, and that is making them really sad and depressed, and they are lost. They are lost. This person is definitely lost without you. They are feeling regret, they are feeling depression, they are not able to see the positive side of life at all. Five is anyway the energy of loss and depression and sadness and all this. Okay, five is always energy of in tarot, I'm telling you. Okay, and this is a certain energy of this person is highly addicted to you, highly possessive about you, not able to let you go. They feel like this because they are lost, completely lost without you. They are regretting what they did with you. Deep regret, deep obsessiveness, deep possessiveness, and deep regret. This is what they are feeling for you right now. Let me see what this person wants from you. What this person wants from you is Five of Swords. They want you to come out of this Five of Swords energy. They want you to come out of this mental jail, or this. They want you to come out of this, ego battle that they were having with you. You remember, this is Five of Swords energy from another deck. They were having a fight with themselves. They were having ego battles. So this is kind of energy that they want to remove from this connection. So this person wants you to remove the ego battles, and to end the fight, and just not fight because your ego is telling you. Just consider their point of view as well. Okay, I feel like this person is highly egoistic. Okay, but they are blaming you for that. They are manipulating you, blaming you that you did something wrong, or you did something bullshit, or something like that. I don't know. Let me clarify the Five of Swords as what they want from you. Let's see. King of Swords and the Four of Swords, lots of swords, and Ten of Pentacles. They just want you to cut out all the negativity, cut out the toxicity, cut out the battles that you guys were having, and take a break and analyze and contemplate and think about it in silence, and go somewhere, meditate and think about the connection, think about the love that you guys have, okay? And then they want you to have a happy connection with them, happy committed long-term relationship with them, and or happy family with them. This is what they want from you. Definitely this person wants you to lose the ego battle, or just stop the ego battle that you guys were fighting, might be from a very long time. They want you to cut out the negativity, cut out the toxicity, and contemplate. Just come out of this hurtful situation, just come out of this heartbreak. Just take a break and think and analyze, and have a relationship with them, long term committed relationship with them. This is what they want from you, okay sweetie? Let me see what is coming towards you till the end of October. Pisces, what is happening with you guys? Let me see. Page of Wands. A communication coming in towards you. Definitely a communication coming in towards you from this particular person. A message is arriving, or you are communicating with them from your side. But for most of you, I'm intuitively getting that this person is coming towards you, and they are opening up the gate of conversation. They will try to reach you. Definitely this person will try to reach you by any means, but they will try to reach you, because either you have blocked them, might be you guys have blocked each other, but now this person is realizing that this ego battle is not going anywhere. This ego is not going anywhere, so I should just better talk to you, or I should just better connect with you, with Pisces again. Okay, this is what I'm getting. Let me clarify the Page of Wands as a potential outcome for you. Star could be dealing with an Aquarius here, the Eight of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. Okay, this person is right now coming to you, or this person is going to come towards you till the end of October, because they are very, very hopeful and positive that you are healing, and they are also healing. This person is also hurt. It is not like they are not hurt. They are also hurt. That's why they're coming back towards you, and they are in mental conflict. They were in a mental conflict from a very long time regarding this message, this conversation. What should they do? What should they do? Should they talk to you, or should they not talk to you? They were highly confused, highly in mental jail. But now I feel like this person is coming out of this confusing state of mind, and they will straight away text you or communicate with you or call you. Definitely there's a communication between you guys by the end of October. Okay, Pisces? So this is your reading till the end of October. I hope you are going to get some insight regarding your personal life in this. Thank you so much for connecting, and God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.